Hello my friends and welcome to our 2024 guide on the best free VPNs for Windows 10 and 11. In today's digital age, protecting your online privacy is more crucial than ever. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right VPNs that's both free and effective? In this video, we'll cut through the noise and reveal our top 3 picks for free VPNs that actually work on Windows. We rigorously tested dozens of options to bring you the cream of crop. Get ready to discover VPNs that offer speed, security, and ease of use, all without costing you a dime. So with this information, let's dive in and find the perfect free VPN for your Windows PC. Number 1. Geph VPN, a lesser known gem that offers robust censorship circumvention. This VPN is designed to work even in heavily restricted networks, making it a go-to choice for users in countries with a strict internet censorship. Now this is how to install and use. First of all, open up your web browser and go to this URL, geph.io. As you can see here. Here you see the main page of the website. As you can see here, we have a download option for Android, directly Android actually file, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Depends on operation system which you use. You can select your download option, just tap on the icon. Now I will select Windows, and as you can see here, it's for Windows 7 and above. I mean Windows 8, Windows 11 or Windows 10. Actually the size of program is about 12 megabytes, so it's easy to download. Just start the download. After the program is completely downloaded, go to download folder and try to install it. It's so easy guys, just right click on the downloaded file and select run as administrator. Choose your language, choose your path. Next, and turn on this option. It doesn't take much time to install, just finish it. Now it's time to work with Geph VPN. Again, right click, run as administrator. Let me allow this program. It's because of my actually firewall. Now here, first of all, you should, if you have a user, of course you don't have. So here, click on create a new account. It's so easy guys. One of the interesting things is that this VPN doesn't need actually any email address and verify your email address. Just type your username and your password and security code. There is an important point guys here that I must tell you. If you use lowercase or uppercase letter in your username, later if you want to log in your username, you must type it in the same way. For example, if you start your username with a capital letter, you must type it in the same way later. If you type it all in lowercase letters, the program will not accept it and log into your username. So I always actually type my username, all of them with lowercase. Now just type your security code and click on register. Unfortunately I got this error. I should change my username. Let me change it. Again, click on register. And here guys, as you can see, we made an account for Geph. The interesting thing is that you will not receive any message that you have created a username. You just need to click on the login and enter to your account. Just wait. And here, as you can see, this is the interface of Geph VPN. Just wait and be patient guys and watch this video. I will tell you all of the options of this VPN. The first option is the notification option, where the app itself will share a series of messages with you about new features and other things. So there is no important point guys, so we will go to another option. This section shows the volume of your data when you are connected to the VPN and you are browsing the internet. The download volume, the upload volume, as well as the ping rate and the protocol you are using. And here is the important section. Here you have an option to change your language. As you can see here, there is a 4 language here. And here you can change your theme from light to dark and from dark to light. Here you can see 3 options: network level VPN, which you can tunnel all of your system with Geph and exclude PRC traffic. It's for actually Chinese user. And auto configure proxy, which actually set your proxy on your web browser automatically. In this section, you can choose which ports Geph will use or choose from the default ports. And you can choose the ports of other programs for Geph. And you can also allow other computers or user to use Geph. Actually, you don't need to change the ports, so don't touch them and go to another option. Pay attention guys, this option is the most important part of Geph, because in this option you can see if your country has blocked Geph. From this option you can choose the bridge and connect your VPN easily. And next option, as you can see, protocol. If your VPN doesn't connect or it becomes difficult to connect, you can switch between these protocols and connect your VPN easily. So we have nothing to do here and we will go to the main page. Here when you click on change location, you can see all of the location which you can access to them. Here you will find free servers and paid servers that you can choose from them. When you click here, you can find all of the free servers here. As you can see, there are a lot of them and you can choose them based on the ping. This part which is grayed out are the paid servers that you need to buy Geph subscription to be able to use. And here you can see the free servers. The numbers shown in front of server show the load of the servers, what percentage is filled, and how many users are connected to them. The lower number shows the better speed. After choosing your server, just click on connect and wait. It could be takes couple of the seconds guys, just be patient and wait. Here we are guys, as you can see, we have successfully connected to one of the Geph's free server, and now I will show you its speed. As you can see guys, you can easily surf the internet with full security and ease. In my opinion guys, you don't need to buy paid subscriptions and free subscriptions are enough. Now let me test YouTube. After you are done with the VPN, you can easily disconnect it. Number 2, SoftEther VPN, an open source multi-protocol VPN software known for its flexibility and high performance. SoftEther is a favorite among tech-savvy users who appreciate its advanced features and customization options. Now this is how to install and use. First of all, open up a browser and go to this URL, vpngate.net. After that, you will see this interface of website. And here, as you can see, there is so many IP address. Now we will go to download tab, and here you can see another option, and just click on download VPNgate client. After that, you will go to next page, and here you can see download SoftEther VPN client plus VPNgate client plugin. Now click on the link and the download actually will be started. Wait a second and you will see the actually download info. So start download. The size of the program is not too much, so wait to download it completely. After downloading the program completely, go into the program folder and extract it. Let me extract the zip file. And now I will go to program folder, and here actually guys, you should see the install file. Now right click on the installation file and run as an administrator. Now for installation the program, guys, follow me step by step. Click on next. Here you can see two options, SoftEther VPN client or Soft VPN client manager. So choose first one and here turn on the checkbox. Next, advanced install option for expert, and next, again next, and wait. Installing the application may take a few minutes, so wait for the installation of the program to be fully completed. Now this is the last step of installation. Just click on finish and the program will run. Here you can see, guys, the actually interface of the VPN. There is so many actually tab here. We have nothing to do with them. Just click on VPN gate, public VPN, relay servers. For the first time when you click on actually this part, you will see these windows. Just turn on the enable the VPN gate relay service and click on OK. Again OK, and again OK. Now here you can see bunch of actually server and you can use all of them. First of all, whenever you go to actually to this part, refresh the list, and here you can see some column here, and I will tell you what are they. First column is DNS host name, actually which are the actually server's name, and actually the second column is IP address, which are the actually DNS host name, IP address, and here we can see the region, and it's one of the column actually we use a lot. Whenever you want an IP from a particular country, you can find it. Just click on the region and the countries will be stamped, and you can choose the IP of the country you want to choose from. The next part that is very important is the uptime column. Uptime column shows how long the servers have been turned on and started. Actually, when it shows the little time, it means that the server is newer and fresh. So I recommend to you always select the fresh server. I mean, just started the server. Actually, there is another column on the VPN which are not actually important. We have nothing to do with them. So just we need actually to region column and uptime column for actually filter our server and customize our selection. Now here I will tell you how to use this server and connect your VPN to server. First of all, as you can see here, you can customize your uptime and region, and after that, when you double click on one of them, you will see this checkbox, and here we have two protocol, guys, TCP and UDP. If your country doesn't like TCP protocol, first of all use TCP protocol. But if your country like me like TCP protocol, use UDP protocol. So if you select the server to connect to it and you didn't see any action, that means you can't connect to this server. So you have to select another server to connect successfully. Now I will choose another server and double click on it, and here when you can, guys, see this message box, it means you are connected to this server successfully. Now let me test the VPN, which is actually works or not. So I will go to Facebook and after that YouTube. As you can see, it works perfectly, and I will go to YouTube. Again, as you can see, guys, works perfectly and it has a actually perfect gate speed. After you use your VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN. Now I will tell you how to do it. Just right click on the VPN gate connection and click on disconnect all, and click on yes. Number 3, Tunnel Bear VPNs, a user-friendly VPN that's perfect for beginners. With its intuitive interface and charming bear theme design, Tunnel Bear makes VPN usage simple and approachable for all Windows users. Now this is how to install and use. In the first step, if your country restricts or blocks access to some sites like me, you need a VPN to create a user for yourself. If you not, you can skip this step and go to the next step. This is the VPN I always use, and you can see its tutorial here and on the channel. Now I will connect my VPN and we will go to next step with each other. Now everything is ready and we will go to for next step. Now in this step, open up a browser and go to this link. Of course, I will mention the links on the description. Now just copy it and paste it here, and we will go to actually Tunnel Bear website. After the website is fully loaded, you will see 2 fields to fill, and you should type your email address and your password. Actually guys, I myself always use temperature email, which you can find it here, email1.io. Actually, it depends on you to use your email address or temperature email address. Just open up inbox and you will see your email address here. Just copy it and go to sign up page. Here I will paste it, and here type my password and just click on create account. Here in this page, you will find your actually platform to download your client. As you can see, it has a desktop version which has macOS, Windows, and for mobile devices which has iOS devices and Android devices. And here you will find your browser extensions like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. So choose the appropriate options according to your platform and start downloading your VPN client. Just tap on the button and you will see your download file. Just start to download. After the client is completely downloaded, go to your email address and verify the email that came from Tunnel Bear. I will go to my email inbox, and as you can see, we have an email from Tunnel Bear. So just click on the actually verification link. As you can see here, you will find a link, verify my account. Just click on it and it's gonna verify your email address and username. As you can see, our email has been confirmed and we are going to next step. On the official website, when you click on my account, you can see some of your information. As you can see, we have a 2 GB of free bandwidth for each month, which you can take up to 103 GB per month. Now close the browser and go to your download folder and open up your client file to install it. It doesn't have any important point, just click on install and choose your path and be patient and wait. It takes about 3 minutes guys. Once the client installation is complete, open the program. Here you will see 2 options guys, create an account and log in with an existing account. If you did not create an account in the first step, you can click on the create account. If you not, just log in. Now we are in the login page. Just type your email address and your password, which we made it on the first step. Click on login and wait. Now we are on the main page of the client. As you can see, we have a 2 GB of free bandwidth by default. Now do the settings like me. Guys, if you want VPN not to work on some of your programs or not to use VPN when you turn on VPN, turn on this option and specify your program to not use your VPN. Actually, I always don't use such as this option, so I will turn it off and we will go to another option which is settings. In the settings we will choose connection tab, and after that there is a two important option guys. Turn on vigilant beer and ghost beer, which are so important. Vigilant beer is for kill switch, and ghost beer is for actually bypass VPN blocking and censorship. On the VPN protocol we have a three option to use: OpenVPN, IKI v2 and WireGuard. In cases where your country may have blocked a certain protocol, we can use this option. Just set it on the OpenVPN and close the client, and after that if you run your VPN, just disconnect it. Actually we run it on the first step. Just disconnect it and come back to your client and open up it. After we run the Tunnel Bear client and the program comes with my IP address, which is the Iran IP address, you will see the interesting point. As you can see guys, now I have a 103 GB of free bandwidth per month, which is fantastic. For more information, as I said in the beginning of the video, you can come to my Telegram channel where you can find and use full video and many amazing tools. In this section you will see a large number of services in different countries that you can choose from and connect to. As you can see, the United States for itself has about 12 servers, and as you can see there is so much servers from actually different country. Again we will check out our actually settings, turn on vigilant beer, ghost beer, and everything is actually ready. Here I need to tell you important point guys. When your VPN is not yet connected, you will see a sheep at your location, which means that your VPN is not connected. And when the sheep will change to a bear, this means that your VPN is connected to the target server. In the next I will tell you what is the story about. Let me show you here when I will select actually one of the United States servers. You can see here the sheep is changed to bear, and when actually bear comes to here, it means that your VPN is connected. In cases where your VPN does not connect, like in the country where I live now, you can use another VPN client as a bridge for Tunnel Bear, and you can easily connect to the internet. In this case, just follow this step. Just close your Tunnel Bear client and open up your first VPN. Connect your VPN. After your VPN bridge is connected, open up your Tunnel Bear client. Now choose one of your actually server. I will choose the United States and wait. And turn on your Tunnel Bear. Be patient and wait. As you can see, Tunnel Bear was easily connected to the desired server. And here again you can see that I have a 103 GB of free monthly bandwidth. In the last step I will show you the Tunnel Bear leaks test to see how amazing this VPN is, and you can't find anything like it. For do the leak test, we will go to this URL, dnsleaktest.org. as you can see the URL. In the page you can see your IP address details, as you can see the country, the city, and just click on DNS leak test and wait and be patient. The test takes about 30 minutes, and after that you can see the result. As you can see in the VPN percentage section, it is 100, which means its leakage rate is 0%. This is fantastic guys, and you can find this option in any VPN, believe me guys. Here is nothing left to say my friends, we covered all of the important things. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. As always, thank you for watching guys, and we will see you in the next one.